Here's where you can go to change the color temperature and also switch the refresh rate settings. This is for Tecno Spark phones, and whether you got Android 13, 14, 15, or 16, they are all in the same area, no matter the phone model. If you're new to all this, go ahead and use a quick access and tap on the settings toggle right up here at the top right. Now, once you reach here, simply just scroll down the list of all the settings and look for display brightness. So some of your phones may have it somewhere else to the bottom or to the top, but look for display and brightness. Once you enter here, you're gonna see all these different options. And the first one you will most likely see is refresh rate. If you switch on to it, you will have the auto switch refresh rate, which is usually the safest bet in terms of having some play at a good refresh rate and a low refresh rate. If you want to save battery life and you just don't really care for all that fancy refresh rate stuff and switch to 60, then switch to the 60 one, okay? But if you want everything to be in the 90s, you can go with that. And depending on your phone model, you may have up to 120, some cases 144, but this will use more battery life for smoother animations. And again, if you don't care for all that, you can always come back to here. Backing out of this here, you got your color temperature, and you can adjust the color temperature here with the slider here, okay? And you will notice the colors are gonna be a little bit different. So if you got cool, it's gonna be more white bluish, whereas default to warm is a bit on the yellow orangish side, okay? And you can change it at any given time, like it's it.